Is changing the water in your koi pond really necessary? In today's video, I'm going to discuss with you why you would change it and when you would change it. So with that, let's go ahead and dive into it. Now, I just wanted to let you know I'm not a water biologist, I'm not a water specialist. I'm just a koi pond and koi fish enthusiast just like you. And I wanted to make this video so that you don't make the mistakes that I made when it comes to water changing. Now, I've had my pond for almost 5 years now. When I first had it built, I had the water put in, and I let the ecosystem build for about a month. Bought a couple small baby koi fish and some small goldfish, and I was changing probably about 30 to maybe 50% of my water almost every week or once every 2 weeks. And very quickly, my fish were getting sick, and they weren't surviving. And that was pretty frustrating. So I went to the pet store, bought a water testing kit, tested my pond water. Nitrate levels were okay, ammonia levels were okay. Couldn't quite figure it out. And drained some more water, added some more water, bought some more koi fish and goldfish. And again, within a month or so, they got sick and passed away. Now, one weekend, I'm out at a local pond doing some bass fishing, and all of a sudden it just kind of dawned on me. Here's Mother Nature, put this beautiful pond there. There's bluegill, bass, sunfish. Nobody's changing that water. They're not changing that water every week, every month. And as the water evaporates, it rains, refills the pond. So I got to thinking about that. But, let that ecosystem develop, build, grow. And that's all I've been doing. I have not changed my water. And unless something drastic happens, I get some kind of pollution in there or some type of disease and the fish are gone, that's the only reason I'm going to change my water. Other than that, what I'm doing seems to be working great for me so far. But again, I wanted to make this video. Maybe some of you have experienced this. You've gotten some fish, some of your fish have gotten sick, passed away. Maybe that's one of the reasons why you're changing too much too often. You're taking out the good water. Allow that ecosystem to develop, build, and grow. And I believe your fish will be a lot healthier, happier, and they're going to thank you for it. All right. If you found this video informative, do me a favor and hit that subscribe, like, and share button, and I'll see you in my next video.